Firstly, I'm going to use this moisturizer to moisturize her skin. This is the Nivea Soft Cream, and I'm just going to apply it generously on her skin. Next up, I'm using this Lakme Blur Perfect Primer in places where she has a little bit of pores and textured skin, and blending that with my fingers only. She has a little bit of pigmentation and a lot of redness around her face, so I'm using this Master Camouflage from Maybelline and using the peachish color corrector to conceal all of that area. For foundation, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Foundation, and I'm just applying it on her skin and will blend it with a beauty blender. For concealer also, I'm using the same palette, and I'm just going to use a little bit lighter shade as to conceal her inner eyes. I'll apply the same concealer on the lid as well because I want a clean surface for the eyeshadow application. I'm just going to outline the eyebrows as well. Now I'll blend the entire concealer with the beauty blender and then pack some powder on the top so as to avoid any crease lines. For bronzer, I'm using this Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm just contouring her face a little bit, not too much. Cheekbones, jawline, forehead and nose as well. For blusher, I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to mix the shades of the blusher and apply it on her skin, just on the apple of her cheeks. For her eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Color Studio palette from Beauty Glaze, and I'm going to use this earthy orangish tone as a transition shade. Next up, I'm going to deepen up the crease with a little bit of brown. And I'm just going to blend everything in place. I'm using this light green color in the inner 1/3 of the eye, and I'll follow that with a darker green shade on the mid 1/3 of the eye. Next up, to bring a little bit of light to the eye, I'm using this shimmery green shade on the top of the lid, and I'm applying it with my fingers only. Packing the entire eyeshadow to the bottom lid as well, and then I'm applying a liner using this Maybelline color eyeshadow. Filling up her eyebrows using the L'Oreal brow pomade. And packing them in place by using a mascara or a brow gel. Now I'm just applying some falsies to her eyes. For highlighter, I'm using this L'Oreal Lumi highlighter, and I'm just applying that on the top of her cheekbones, her forehead and the tip of her nose, as well as the bridge of her nose. For lipstick, I'm using this L'Oreal lipstick, and I'm just dabbing it on her lips and packing it on with the same color lip gloss. So that is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell. All of the links to my socials will be given in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.